Welcome to the Imperium Forex daily video. Before we begin, it should be noted that any advice is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration. Hello everyone, my name is Rob Clayton and thank you very much for joining me. To start the webinar, regardless of the Australian dollar trading sideways for 12 days, it's still relatively negative. With the indicators slowly coming back to a negative tone, I do expect to see the support taken out at 45 as we challenge it now and look towards 75.80. Still sell strategies towards 77 cents with a cap holding at 77.45.55. The price action for euro is slightly on the bid tone as it now looks towards that 65 resistance, with the dollar index slightly weaker on Friday. Did post a low of 94.14. Now I do see a base from 93.80 to 94.10 to the index. This coincides with the resistance at 117.05.15. Therefore, I still view to sell any rallies that is, towards this level, and I will be looking for a pullback towards 116.05 to 115.5. The dollar yen outlook still remains relatively negative, even though it's slightly finding a little bit of a bid tone this morning. Since the rejection of 114.5 to 70, I still look for a pullback towards 113.15 to 112.80. Now we did get a low of 113.21 on Friday, so I do expect to see further weakness, but my strategy is still to buy dips. So therefore I do expect to see a rebound from 112.80 and look up towards the top side of 113.85 to 114.55 to 70. Well, the pound is coming under a bit of pressure this morning as it retreats from the highs of 131.77, now looks towards the support at 130.70.85. At this stage, I still don't have a view on the pound. However, over the weekend, Theresa May is having a considerable struggle for support as she now officially sets the time and date for the Brexit, which is at 11 p.m. on the 29th of March 2019. This might be partly the reason why the market is a little bit weaker, but I do expect to see this choppy journey for the pound to continue within the band of 130 to 133. Well, the gold price action is still a bit of a mysterious move after plummeting on Friday. However, this is giving us an opportunity to buy the market. I still believe that we are looking towards the top side of around 1,300 on the broader picture. So any pullback, which we're seeing at the moment, a buy from either 70 with the firm base holding beneath at 1,258 to 60. The silver outlook rebounds off that 80 support and should do so again. I do expect to see a challenge there, but whether or not it breaks, it should hold, I feel, that the RSI is picking up, even though the stochastic is a little bit on the bear side. The market at this stage is a little bit mixed when it comes to the MACD. So a rebound from there could see a challenge back towards that 17 figure 25 area. And to wrap up with oil, well, the market's still hesitant towards the top side of $58 a barrel. With this long-legged doji, it does suggest that we could see a pullback. I'm looking towards 56.5 and reassess from there. So that wraps up today. Thank you very much for joining me, and I hope you have a wonderful start to the new week.